Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. Yes, the legendary French icon is making a comeback, and it's bringing a mix of retro charm and modern technology. The original 2CV was known as the umbrella on wheels, a simple, practical, and affordable car loved by millions. Now, Citroën is reimagining it for the 21st century while keeping its soul intact. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The 2025 2CV retains its classic rounded shape, corrugated body panels, and unmistakable headlights. It's a nostalgic throwback but with a futuristic twist. LED lighting, a more aerodynamic profile, and modernized details make it feel fresh yet familiar. Citroën has carefully balanced heritage with innovation, and the result is stunning. Under the hood, the biggest change is its all-electric powertrain. Gone is the air-cooled two-cylinder engine of the past. Instead, the 2025 2CV is powered by a compact electric motor, delivering a smooth and quiet ride. It's designed for urban efficiency, with a range of around 200 miles on a single charge. Charging is quick and easy, making it perfect for city dwellers and eco-conscious drivers. Inside, Citroën has kept things minimalist but functional. The cabin is spacious, with comfortable seats, a simple digital display, and a quirky yet practical layout. The retractable fabric roof, a signature feature of the original, returns, adding an open-air experience. It's all about enjoying the journey, just like the classic 2CV. Citroën has also made sure the new 2CV remains affordable. It's positioned as an entry-level EV, competing with small electric hatchbacks but offering something unique, character. With a focus on sustainability, lightweight materials, and an emphasis on driving pleasure, it stays true to the spirit of the original. So, what do you think of the 2025 Citroën 2CV? Is it a worthy successor to the beloved classic? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Branded Cars for more automotive content. See you in the next one.